Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my iPhone 11 unboxing. If you would have seen my last vlog, I mentioned at the end of it that if you want to see my new phone, to stay tuned for this video. So I'm going from the iPhone 7 to the 11. I just left the AT&T store not too long ago. And I decided to just get the black one because I don't really care for like the colors. I know they have purple, green, white, black, and red, I believe. This is for the 11. I know they have different colors for the Pro and like the Pro Max, but I just got the regular iPhone 11 and I just got black because it's super classic and clean looking and I don't really care for color. So this is it in the box. It just has the black lettering, the black Apple logo, and there it is. So, ooh, I'm gonna drop everything. So this is just what it looks like. It's like kind of glossy looking on the back, you can see, and it's actually the Apple logo is now in the center, which is different because in comparison to the iPhone 7, I'm just gonna take off the case. I don't know if you can really tell, but the Apple logo is like on the top and then it actually says iPhone on the bottom. So the iPhone 7 has like, it was a matte black, and then this one is a little more shiny. So just like a side by side, even the sizes are like way different, so it's pretty cool. And then obviously this one has like the two cameras and this one is just like the basic. So I'm really getting a good upgrade camera wise. So just as soon as you take this off, let me put this to the side and show you what else is in the box. So it just comes with the little pamphlet. I'm actually going to put this bag on the floor because it's like bothering me. Okay, so I'm literally dropping everything. Alright, so when you open the box, you have like the little basic pamphlet that just says like hello, has like the little stickers, and it shows you like how to put in the SIM card, which I don't need any of that. So I'm just gonna like put this back in here and like we can move on to the rest of the stuff. So it comes with the regular outlet charger. I was actually looking online and I thought that this one has the faster charger. They do have one that is for the Pro, I think, and the Pro Max. They came out with like a lightning charger thing. It's just like a bigger box and it charges faster, but I don't really mind not getting that or anything. And then it just comes with the regular earpods, but I have the AirPods now, so I'll just have those just for backup. And then it just comes with the regular like USB, and this one is good because you can put it into your computer as well as the wall. I know the guy told me that the one with the faster charger, I don't think you could put it into your computer, something like that, but don't quote me on that. So that is the rest of the stuff that is in the box. And now to the important part, which you guys are all here for, is the phone. So he actually like activated the phone while I was there, because they usually do that for us there. They just like transfer everything, so like everything is transferred pretty much to this phone. And I actually did get a case, so I just got this clear one. I probably will buy my own case. I was already looking on like Amazon to get my own case. I want just like a clear one. I chose this clear one from them because it was part of my purchase. I don't have to purchase anything extra, but it's just clear and it just has like almost white. It looks white, like the edges. I don't know if you can tell, but yeah. So I just picked out this one. It's just clear, but I don't know how protective it is, so I probably will just find one on Amazon. So stay tuned for a video. I probably will be ordering that soon. And then he just put on the glass screen protector, which again, he just did it for us, you know, because I'm paying all the money for the phone, so like, you know. But I'm gonna turn it on now, and it's weird because there's no home button and I'm used to having a home button, so I'm just gonna turn it on. You can see you guys right there. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Just turning it on. my first impression of just how it looks in general is I love it. And there's like almost like on top of the camera there's like a layer, I don't even know if you guys can see, which is pretty cool. I love the glossiness of the back like I mentioned before. So so this is already like my background how I had it before. It's like the lighting is like not, yeah. So I'm just gonna slide. You have to like slide, but that's like if you want your password. So I already set up my Face ID. You have to like go like this, and it like captures your picture of your face, which is really cool. And so like once you have that, you just like slide up. Oh, I had it off, so like, and then that is the home. It's like overexposed right now. I don't know if it's gonna focus. Yeah. So first I have like this screen. I haven't finished like setting up my apps. I'm gonna do a separate video of what's on my iPhone, so stay tuned for that video and give this video a thumbs up if you want to see that next. So I'm just gonna go into like the basic thing that everyone likes to see, which is the new camera feature. So I'm actually gonna screen record so I can show you guys how it looks. So I'm putting my screen record on now. Is it on? Alright, so I'm screen recording. I'm going to go into the camera and show you guys. So this is how it looks regular, like what we're used to on the old iPhone. And then if you push in this, it makes everything smaller. And it just like makes everything look super long, kind of like it looks like you're holding like a GoPro, I would say, something like that, which is really cool. So, and the quality is just 10 times better. The only thing I don't really like is when you take pictures, it flips it. So, but there are apps out there that you can get that like flip it back to the original way. It depends like how you guys like it. So this is just like the camera. Let me make sure my brightness is up all the way. The quality is really, really good, so I'm definitely going to try to be taking a bunch of pictures on this phone. Let me turn off my screen recording. So yeah, that's about it for this video. I just wanted to do the unboxing, show you guys a little bit of the basics, but like I said, I'm going to be doing a what's in my iPhone video next. I'm going to put my case back on, show you guys how it looks with the case. It's just clear. I like the clear look because it's glossy looking and it's just super sleek, and I'm excited for it. So yeah, like I said, I'm going to be filming my what's on my iPhone next. So if you guys want to see that video, stay tuned. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and if you're excited about my new phone. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.